Almost chicken noodle soup.
Almost chicken and dumplings, chicken noodle soup.
Chicken dumplings.
Okay. What a cute idea.
It
Thank you.
tastes like.
Ooh, Rachel, that's
That's part of the ingredients. I've left the other part.
Oh, Angela, that's
But she needs to look on that person, like with her.
Bird, you get good.
you.
Unwrapping
Get good
stuff.
at wrapping stuff. Uh-oh, there's some tape. Let's mommy help.
That looks like my hair.
Oh, look, bird. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, look at that. Natty got an outside jacket.
Oh, so nice, so warm.
And tissue paper.
Look, there's no